Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm outside this morning. It's about 8:15, and the rain has finally stopped. It's a little cool for me. I'm a Florida boy, so it's about 50 degrees, but it's nice, bright sunshine, and the wind has finally died down. So I'm going to attempt to put that MFJ antenna up. There's some of my antennas, just a few of them. I know they're getting really messy. And my handyman, who used to go up on the roof for me and do some work, has been really busy, so I haven't had any help from him, so things have gotten kind of out of hand. There's all my wires going into my workshop, and then over here, turn around, and there's the J-pole antenna and the 31-foot vertical antenna. There's my satellite antennas that are about 45 years old. They used to be about 20 feet in the air, and it started slipping. It's come down. There is a ground plane. There's another ground plane. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this little system here that I've set up where I've got pulleys so I can bring antennas down easily. And we're going to take one of those antennas down and replace it with the antenna from MFJ right here, which is an in-fed antenna also. So we're going to try to put that up, and I'm going to try to put the camera on the tripod, and you can watch me stamber around trying to get this set up. So hold on here. Let me get this set down and locked in place. Oops, I didn't get it in that hole there. Here we go. There we go. Okay, now let's see what we're looking at. That's probably a good shot. Good shot as any. Maybe turn it a little bit. Turn it a little bit. There we go. Okay, and this is the east side of my house. Sun is coming up. So we're going to take down one of these other antennas that I've already tested. I'm going to try to figure out which one first. Oh, I'm speaking, but you're so far away from me. Oh. Oh. Okay, I realize the camera is so far away you can't hear what I'm saying, so I'm going to move up, but you won't get as wide a view. And let's try about there, see what happens. And of course the airplanes are taking off. Now, the one I want to take down is, I got two of them right here. I want to take this one down here. So let me figure out which one's which here. That thing's kind of tangled up as usual. And yeah, that's good. I want this to slip out of my hand. Because if it does, I won't be able to get it back down. Okay, let's see if we can tie this off temporarily. Oh, it really helps if you have a second person helping. Okay. So This is not coming down like I want it to. Now, what I need to do is I need to go over and lower it in the tree. Stand by. Well, as usual, what should take 5 minutes or 15. Sorry about that, but I think I got it loose. Yep, I got it loose. So that one's coming down. I wonder how long this one was. There we go. Okay, this was a fed, so it has 2 legs. And we'll unhook this, and I don't want that to disappear, so we'll put that over here. And we'll just set this aside for a minute. Oh, I need the cable, of course. Oh, it's got a B and C connection. I didn't realize this cable got a B and C connection. So that could be a problem. Yeah, because that wants to be a 239. So let me see if I got an adapter. Okay, I'm sorry it's taking so long. I had no idea that I would have all these difficulties. They're not really difficulties, just things that take long. Okay, now we got the adapter. Now we can get the antenna. And hopefully the wire here is not too long. Oh, now I need a pair of cutters to get these tie wraps off. Stand by. You know, I thought it would be kind of unique to record setting one of these antennas up, but now with all my fumbling, maybe it wasn't such a good idea. Okay, that one off. I think this is like 66 feet. That may be too long. Okay, so we got that loose, and we'll hook this little box to the cable. Do the right thing right here. My little pulley system. If this will go through here, this would be nice. And of course, it won't. But it kind of halfway goes through. Yeah, which is not good. Nope, it's not going to go through. So I got to get a tie wrap. We'll get tie wrap. I did not realize that this was going to be an hour show. So let's put the tie wrap in here. See if I can use a short one. Yeah, I should be able to use a short one. Okay, I don't know if the camera's even still running. You probably gave up on me too. And this is just a temporary setup to do the testing. All my antennas are a temporary setup. Ooh, that almost got away from me. That wouldn't have been good. Okay, so put that on there. That's good. Put the coax on. I'm curious how this is going to turn out. This recording. Boy, it's a tight fit. All new connectors really fit tight. I just hope that cable's not too long. Got the feeling it is. Okay, now, oh my gosh, okay. If I can get this back down. Yay! Okay, got that back down. Try to untangle this mess. And not, if I let this rope go, I'm in big trouble. Because then it's all up in the air and I can't get to it. Okay, like I say, I really need some help. Okay, now we're really making a mess. Okay, so that's going up. And the other antenna is going back up, which is this one. Let's see, which is what? Okay, that's at the top. Now we just need to get this one back up. It's going up. Yeah, alright, pretty close. I'll get this wrapped around the coax, so I'll fix that later. Tie this off before it comes down. Try to tie it off. And then I think we're going to temporarily be there. Like I said, it's kind of a temporary setup. That's okay. And now we got to figure out where we can do this wire. It's probably too long. Oh, it's all tangled, of course. Okay, I think what I'll do now is I think I'll turn the camera off and go ahead and string this out in the front yard, because that's probably another 15-minute job. Anyway, trying to get this MFJ in-fed antenna up. It's made for 40 meters to 10 meters. It has a matching transformer. That was the black box, which is good for I think 600 or 800 watts, which the maximum I could possibly put into it is 100. And at the peak, let me just move the camera. At the peak, it's about 15 feet in the air. And then it slopes out to the front yard, to that tree over there. I don't know if that's 66 feet away. I don't think it is, so that could be a problem. We will see. Anyway, if it does work out okay, then I'll be doing some testing. So that's it. If you enjoyed this show, as long as it is, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye. Stop recording.